Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another incredible day and welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. In this video, we want to talk about Zilliqa, because if we switch here to crypto bubbles, then you can see actually today is a pretty good pumping green day, and Zilliqa is pumping nearly 40%, 39.4. It's trading currently at 0.0950, and reason enough to look at trading view. So let's remove the RSI. If we look here on the daily chart, then you can see here this perfectly pump actually from yesterday. So this was a pump of 40%, pretty juicy. And right now, I already marked you in my last video about Zilliqa, this previous support line, what is right now flipped again into resistance. So let's make this red. And the next one will come in here at 0.12. So these two resistance lines are right now above Zilliqa, but we can also draw a support line, maybe like this. So this is right now support. So also let's make a Fibonacci retracement. So first I would like to make it from this low here to this high. So then you can see that the golden pocket is coming right above this resistance line. So if Zilliqa is able to come into this golden pocket, then I would expect at least another test from this resistance line, or also from the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So let's do another one, this time from this high to this low. Okay, let's remove this again. Okay, so for right now, you know the next levels, the next targets for the bullish price. But if we look at the bearish price target, then I actually would say that of course this here below this area, I will do a little box, a rectangle. So let's draw it like this. So this box, this should definitely hold, but if Zilliqa will dump again to this level, that would be pretty sad, because in this case with the trading here, that would nearly a 61% dump. So we don't think so, we don't hope so. Also here you have a support line. So you have right now, you have two support lines below Zilliqa, one support box, and above. If Zilliqa can break this one, this hopefully will also flip into support, and the next one here. The actual price target, in my opinion, should be here at 0.5 Fibonacci level at the price of 0.131. So So that is the actual price target for Zilliqa. Right now, just two more things. Right now, go and smash the like button. And if you're new on this channel and haven't already subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe right now to my channel. And also click on the notification bell. But just click it once, because otherwise you wouldn't get any information. Just a little disclaimer at the end. This is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. We'll see us in the next video of Nice Trading Bro. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, guys. Bye bye.